was an 18 plus inch on this end, and it's like 20, 22, 22, 23 down there. Look at this board. Woo! Oh, it's very nice. Very nice. All right, look at these logs. This was the butt log of the tree that I took down. Oh my God, it's probably been 2 months ago now. And I think the name of the YouTube video is, "Can I Save These Trees?" So, you know, these are cherry trees. So you can see there's one right there, blah, blah, blah. So when I took this tree down, it looked perfectly normal. And then I took another one down, it was completely rotten on the inside. This tree, look what it did, just sitting here, waiting to be cut. Completely rotten. This, from here, all the way up into here, is unusable. Rotten. That's called red rot. And that's what's going on with all these trees up in here that are black cherry. So, yeah, that sucks. But that's what's going on with the oh my God, I got sawdust in my throat. Black cherries in PA anyways. So, you got to get them, harvest them before they rot and all the way to the top. Well, there's your lesson for the day.